Happy Lolo.
What are they saying here? Where is my spectacle?
70 years old man. Sorry, oh, sorry, oh.
Lolo! Lolo!
Yes, Auntie.
Water.
I'm coming.
To be mumu. Go.
What do we have this?
I want to flex my love. I want to bless.
Child!
I want to carry my love away to the place she loves.
Will you keep quiet?
Why are you running?